Alright, what's up everyone? Today we'll be changing the car battery. My car is a little bit different than normal cars. So since the battery isn't located in the engine bay and it's located in this fender well right here, we're going to need to jack the car up, put the jack stand under it, take the wheel off, take the fender lining off, and then pull the battery out, put our new one in, and hopefully she runs. Alright, so we ended up getting our wheel off okay, and under this fender lining is where the battery is for my car. We got to take off these bolts right here. We have a couple of these push-ins right here. We'll use this guy here for those and a 9/32 for these bolts. So now that we got the fender lining off, you can see where the battery sits. We need to remove this bracket. There's one bolt up top. We're going to take off the positive cable and the negative cable, take the bracket off, pull the battery out, and put our replacement in. So we got our old battery out. We're getting ready to put our new one in. Before we do that, I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna clean up the negative and positive terminals with one of these metal brushes. Hit those little bolts down there too. Clean it up nice, make sure we got good connection. And then we're ready to swap our new one in. Since now that we got the old battery replaced, we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish tightening these lug nuts, close the hood, start it up, and pray she starts. Alright, so she started up first try. Everything's looking good. no check engine lights. Seems like we did a good job.